विष्णु गुरुर्देव महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म.
Good evening, teacher and my dear friends. My name is Avantika Paningrahi. I would like to speak few lines on I adore my teacher because a teacher is an important person in everyone's life. Teacher brings good education and lays the foundation for good habits. I have a teacher in my life whom I adore. She is important to me. She is none other than my class teacher, Mrs. Arundhati Rao. Her method of teaching is very interesting and impressive. She loves all her children and wear simple and clean clothes. She likes disciplined and well-disciplined students. She never makes any distinction and difference between the students. I have great regard for her because she leads the students to the right path. I am grateful for having such a teacher in my life. Love you, ma'am. Thank you.
We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers.
Good morning, all respected principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. My name is Nandini Kumari. I read in class 1D from Guru Nanak Public School. Thank you all for giving me the opportunity to speak few lines about the Teachers' Day and importance of teachers in our life. Teachers' Day is very special occasion for everyone, especially for the teachers and the students. It is celebrated on every year on 5th September to pay respect to the teachers. It is celebrated on auspicious occasion of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan birthday, who was a great teacher and President of India. Teachers are gift of God who educate us and guide us towards success. Teacher is a star who taught me how to shine. Teachers are our second parents. They teach us not only lesson of our book, but also the lesson of our life. They are an important person in everyone's life. They bring good education and lay the foundation for good habits. There are many teachers in our school. I respect and like them equally. Thank you all teachers who teaches in Corona pandemic. But one is my favorite teacher because she motivates me always to ask questions in class. She is my class teacher. Her name is Mrs. Arundhati Roy ma'am. She is very kind and friendly. She teaches us English, Maths, EVS and computer. She takes care of every student. She teaches with lot of fun activities. She is very hard working teacher. She is very strict in class time. I love and respect very much my teacher. I tribute a special thank you song for my loving teachers. Oh my teacher, lovely teacher, I love you, and I know you love me too, and I know you love me too. Yes, I do, yes, I anniversary. Dr. Sarvapallai Radhakrishna is the teacher star who taught me how to shine. In class nursery, Sanjukta ma'am taught me alphabets. In class LKG, Veena Pani Mandal ma'am taught me how to read book. In class UKG, Soumya Sudha ma'am taught me importance of learning. And in class 1, my favorite teacher is Arundhati Rahul ma'am. She is like my second mother who teach me everything and teach also good habits and moral values. She is good friend for us. She is very beautiful. I like very much. She is an idol teacher. And in future, I want to be a kind teacher like her. I love you, ma'am. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am, respected teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Myself, Adarsh Kumar Das, living class 1D of Guru Nanak Public School, Sector 21, Rourkela. Today I am going to present myself as a teacher. As we know in Kabir Dua, Guru Govind Dou Kade, Kake Lagu Pai. बलिहाली में गुरु की गोविंद दियो बताए. It means Guru means teacher and Govind means God. Both of them standing near the student. Student confused too. First we touch the feet. God say first you touch the feet to Guru, because Guru is the super hero. This word teacher is the first person who suggests light path. The teacher gives love, attention to all kids. They make us feel special. Teachers are also very special for all children. Help them their study and give extra effort in teaching. Teaching is one of the best jobs to ever. On 5th September, every year we celebrate the birthday of Dr. Sarvapallai Radhakrishna as a teacher in India. I adore my teacher because my teacher is sweet and like mother to me. My teacher is friendly and guide our life. Teacher role is very important in our life. She clear our doubts whenever we ask. I will always with my deep respect and love. Thank you everyone to hear me and watching my video. Good morning, Principal Ma'am. I'm my teachers and my friends. My name is Deva Sutipallai. I live in Guna Public School, class 1, session 30. Today I am going to tell about a Teacher's Day. First of all, I wish the world Happy Teacher's Day. Today is a very special day for us. Today is Teacher's Day. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat, Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namo. A teacher is a very important person in our life. She is the best gift of God. She plays an important role in our life. Teacher is our second mother because she guides us how to live and life, how to behave. To my public is I adore my teacher. She is a very good teacher. She explains everything in an easy way. Because all my teachers are good, but my favorite teacher is Mrs. Arundhati Rahul. She is my class teacher. She teaches us English, math and computer. She's very punctual in time. She's very helpful. She's very hardworking. I am very lucky. She's my teacher. Thank you. Happy Teacher's Day to all.
Everyone, myself Lalit Krishna Naik. I read in Guru Nanak Public School, Class 1D. Respected Principal Ma'am, teacher, and my dear friend. First of all, I wish you all very happy Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th of September every year in India. The first Teachers' Day is celebrated in India 1962 on September 5. It is the birthday of Bharat Ratna recipient Dr. Sarvabhai Radhakrishnan. He was a great president, a great scholar, and an excellent teacher. Teacher is the best way of students to love and respect for their teacher. Every teacher reflection is or her student. Teacher are backbone of our society. Dear friend, we should always obey our teacher order, follow their advice. I close my speech with this pendulum sloka. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guru Be Namah. Thank you all. Have a nice day.
करते हैं हम आपको ना
Teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. My name is Vivani Gupta. I live in class 1, section D.
we love you teacher,
I adore my teacher because teacher is the star who taught me how to shine. Teacher also teach us good habits and moral values. Teacher is good friend for us. A teacher is an iron person of every student. A teacher is the best gift of God for children. Our teachers are very kind and helpful to us always. Thank you.
we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers.
Good evening, everyone. Respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Pratibha Sharma. I study in class 1. Today I am going to tell why I adore my teachers. There are many teachers in my school, but Mrs. Anjali Madam is my favorite. She is our class teacher. I adore her because she is very smart, intelligent, and beautiful. She explains us every point very nicely. She helped us a lot in improving our English language. She is very punctual and disciplined by nature. That's why I adore her very much. I love you, ma'am. Happy Teacher's Day. Thank you.
Okay, I love you, Vedika.
Good evening, respected principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. My name is Sonda, class 1, section D, presenting in front of you to say few lines on why I adore my teacher, because she is very sweet, kind, and nice to us. She taught us how to read and write. clear our doubts. She is also patient and easygoing when we are naughty in the class. She suggests and shows the right path like a comrade. I thank all the teachers for their hard work. Happy Teachers Day!
Thank you, teachers. We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for every.
विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुदेव नमः. Good evening, teachers, principal, and my friends. My name is Satyana Banda. I read in class 1D. My school name is Guru Nanak Public School. Today is 5th September. So, first happy Teachers Day to all the teachers. Mother is the first teacher. Is our life. Parents give life to us, but teacher give way to life for us. I adore to my teacher because she is very kind-hearted and loving. She guides me when I am in problem. If students are play, teacher like an angel. My teacher is very intelligent. I love my teacher. God bless her. May she live long. Thank you.